In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to change language in Suno AI. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to go here into the create section in Suno, and basically in here we have two choices, either simple, so you can give a prompt, or custom with the custom lyrics and other options. So first is simple. So if you'd want to change the language in here, you could simply indicate the language that you would want the lyrics to be created in. So for example, you would want Spanish lyrics about a counting song. Maybe something like that. And then you can add more specific details. The important thing is that you have indicated that you'd want it to be Spanish, which is the language. Because the language option doesn't exist here directly in Suno, but you can just indicate it in your prompt. Now, if you're here in the custom and you want custom lyrics, you can just simply go and paste your lyrics in here, whatever language it may be. But it would be so much better if you put in real language, like not slang, because it would be sometimes be hard for the AI to comprehend slang language. So just go for simple and common language. So that would be the best and easier for the AI to understand. So if you type lyrics in a supported natural language like English, Spanish, Japanese, and so on, Suno will usually generate coherent songs in that language. It's flexible enough to handle code switching, which is basically switching between languages in one song, and even experimental prompts, though clarity depends on how well the language is recognized. So in short, Suno AI adapts to whatever you feed it. Real languages works best, but custom or invented ones will still produce vocal sounds, just less predictable. So yeah, that is basically it on how you'd be able to change language here in Suno. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.